Now open it.
Yep, and put them all in there.
Got this one. It smells good.
It does smell good.
And I put in both.
Yep.
You're making candy. Wow, you're doing it great. You're doing it great, Granny.
I am. I only opened one.
And I'm opening it now. You gotta open it one at a time.
One at a time?
Yeah.
You want to race?
No.
You don't want to race? He goes faster?
No. You go faster.
I can't. I'm trying.
I'm gonna go faster.
Yeah, good, huh? If you want to eat one, huh?
First you gotta make it.
Oh, okay.
And then first you can eat it. With that and then... No!
It smells like it tastes good. Yeah. Ah! Okay, we can eat one. You want to eat one? Okay.
I did it, Granny.
You got it? 1, 2, 3. Dang! You probably something else. How about avocado?
Mommy.
That's good, huh? Okay. We need 2 of those. 1. And then we're gonna melt them. Okay, so we melted it. Let's do it like that. Let's turn it. Kind of hard. You gotta hold the ball. And it's hot. And this is a 4-cupper, so we need 3 cups. This is not 4 cups. Bruh. Three cups. Okay, you want to have 4 in there? Wait, no, not like that. No. Now 4 in there. Hold it. Hold it back here.
Dad?
See if Danny can do it and then you can do it. Yeah. It doesn't need to be too big. Can you do that? You want a spoon? Let's get you a spoon. Let's get some smaller spoons. Those are too big. Leave it out. What's with your spoon?
Nice.
Use that one. Don't make them real big, okay?
Now?
No. We got some more left. I don't want to waste it. Not this time.
Now?
No.
Wow.
Okay, go ahead.
Mm.
Freezer it goes. Let's dip them. There you go again. Okay.
Can I do it?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you. We're gonna drop it in there with this on the fork and do that. How about that? Is that a good idea? I think that'd be a better idea. Yeah. What? No. So here's your fork. No, it's hot. And you shake it and then you just put it right on there, okay? And then we'll try to force these. And then we'll have to melt some more chocolate with that. Go ahead. You're eating chocolate. We're gonna eat them. No, don't touch nothing. You're done.
It's touchy.
What?
It's good.
Don't touch it. I'll wipe it off. You don't need to eat all that. We have not eaten dinner.
I'm hungry in our tummy.
Yeah, we gotta eat dinner. We don't want to get sick and get chocolate. Now eat dinner. Papa gonna go get it. Okay, so we're gonna melt that other bag of chocolate, okay? Yeah, we gotta do that one. Cause I don't think.
I'll look up there.
No, I gotta melt the chocolate. You ain't licking nothing else. You're gonna get sick. Nothing else to lick. What you do? Let me show you. Let me show you. Can you do that? With your dirty hands. Get up, sit up here. Let Jamie do half, you do the other half, okay? Just go back and forth. What? Oh no! That was a mistake. Ah! Oh goodness. Well, that was gonna be pretty. Oh, they're stuck. Okay, that's gonna have to go right there. It was too warm. Let's try it again. Nothing wrong with that. Just real chocolate. Let me get another bag. Use my thing, but don't touch nothing either. Just leave it in your hand. You get another bag. This one's thicker.
Thicker.
Thicker, so it won't bust like that.
Thicker?
Yeah. That's probably a little too big. You can't squeeze it real hard, okay? Okay, let's push it down some more. Hold it right here. Leave it out of hand. Now, don't squeeze real hard, just really soft. There you go. Go back and forth. Make sure you get on chocolate. That's good. We messed up a couple, but that is okay.